Hi, my name is Mike, and I'd like to demonstrate how to program your vehicle's garage door opener function for a rolling code device. If you are programming the vehicle's integrated remote for the first time, press the two outside buttons at the same time and hold until the indicator lamp starts to flash. This can take up to 30 seconds. If you have previously programmed your vehicle to work with another garage door opener, you can skip this step. Now, hold the end of your remote within 5 to 12 inches of the button you want to program. Simultaneously, press and hold the button on your remote and the button on the mirror you want to program. The indicator lamp will flash slowly, then rapidly. When it changes to a rapid flash, release the button on the mirror and on your remote. Press and hold the button on the mirror you just programmed. If the indicator lamp flashes for 2 seconds and remains lit, the system recognized that your garage door opener has the rolling code feature. Next, find the training button on your garage door opener, which is often located in the motor housing. Press and hold until the training light is activated. Within the next 30 seconds, you must return to your vehicle to press and hold the button you just programmed for 2 seconds. Press and hold the button a second time for 2 seconds. Some garage door openers may require you to repeat the procedure a third time. Please check your garage door opener manual. Finally, press the button on the integrated remote to confirm that the garage door operates. Programming is complete. Should you resell or trade in your vehicle, you may want to erase all settings in the integrated remote. Press both outer buttons on the integrated remote and hold for 30 seconds. All settings are now erased.
Please refer to the operator's manuals supplied with your vehicle for additional information on this feature.